Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert color PDF to grayscale using PDF element. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to print menu. You can press Ctrl P or you can go file menu and print. Select the printer, Wondershare PDF element, set the paper size, page range and orientation, landscape and portrait, and check mark the gray print. And finally click print. Now check the my color image is converted to grayscale. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.